Tired of boring cardio sessions? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm sharing the best fun cardio workouts that will burn fat, build endurance, and actually make you look forward to cardio day. Now, when most people think of cardio, they instantly get turned off. Because let's be honest, traditional steady-state cardio can be extremely boring. But trust me, your results from a workout are directly related to how consistent you are with your workouts over time. And one of the best ways to ensure that you stay consistent is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy doing. So here are my favorite fun cardio workouts that will make you excited to do cardio. First up is going to be dance workouts. Now I have to admit, even though I really enjoy dance workouts, I was super skeptical about them when my wife first introduced them to me. I thought it was just some form of exercise that she did because it was trendy or something. And I mean, who am I kidding, right? How hard can it be to do some basic dance moves? Well, it turns out it's actually quite challenging, just like any other workout. There's a lot of moves that require a ton of lower body strength, explosiveness, agility, and even flexibility. It's funny because even though dance workouts may not seem like a demanding workout, by the end of the session, my entire body, especially my core and my legs, are completely exhausted. Not only does this help you get in shape, but you also learn some pretty cool moves that you can impress your friends with at parties or events. Plus, if you're in a relationship, this could be a fun activity that you and your partner can do together. There are many different dance workout programs that you can choose from, such as Zumba, which incorporates Latin dance moves, hip-hop dance workouts, jazz dance workouts, and more. Or you can simply follow along with various dance workout videos online. Next up is an extremely effective form of cardio: video games. Now I know this may sound kind of crazy, but hear me out. With the rise of technology, there are now multiple ways that you can play video games while standing up, or even doing other activities. For example, one popular option is to use a device such as the exercise bike I'm currently on, which allows you to play video games by simply connecting it to your TV or monitor. This way, instead of sitting down for hours on end playing video games, you can actually get a decent amount of cardio while doing so. Some of these systems even come with virtual reality attachments, so you can truly feel like you're in the game. Now, if you don't have access to this type of equipment, there are still plenty of options available for you. One alternative is to use a device that tracks your steps and allows you to play games that require you to walk or run in order to progress. Another option is to simply play active video games with your friends. There are many different games available that incorporate motion controls and encourage physical activity. So next time you want to play video games, try switching things up by playing them while standing up, or incorporating some sort of movement into the gameplay. Not only will you burn some extra calories, but you'll also be taking a break from sitting down for extended periods of time. Another fun way to get your heart pumping is by switching up your environment and going outside for a trail run. Now, if you live in an area with lots of trees, hills, and natural beauty, you can experience the benefits of trail running, which can improve your balance, increase your endurance, and reduce the risk of injury compared to traditional road running. Trail running can also be a great way to socialize and meet new people. Many communities have trail running groups or clubs where you can join others for group runs and make new friends who share the same passion for trail running. Now, if you're new to trail running, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your distance and intensity to avoid injury. It's also a good idea to bring along water and snacks to stay hydrated and energized during your run. And don't forget to take in the beautiful scenery around you and enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. And another fun way to incorporate cardio into your routine is by going roller skating or ice skating. Roller skating can be a great full-body workout that burns calories, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances endurance. It's a low-impact activity, making it easier on your joints than other high-impact sports such as running. Ice skating, on the other hand, can be an excellent way to strengthen your leg muscles, improve balance and coordination, and burn calories while having fun. Both activities can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels, and they can be done indoors or outdoors depending on the weather. Whether you prefer the smooth glide of roller skating or the graceful movements of ice skating, both activities can be an enjoyable and effective way to incorporate cardio into your routine. Next up, we have a super fun cardio workout that I'm sure many of you guys have heard of before, and that's going to be trampoline workouts. Yes, you heard that right. Working out on a trampoline can be a fun and effective way to burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and increase endurance. The constant up and down motion of the trampoline provides a full-body workout that engages the legs, core, and arms while reducing stress on the joints. Now, if you're looking to add variety to your workout routine, consider investing in a mini trampoline for home use, or simply visit a local trampoline park for a fun and effective cardio session. And if you're looking to switch up your cardio routine, you should definitely consider adding in some martial arts training. Martial arts like kickboxing and Muay Thai are full-body workouts that combine punches, kicks, knee strikes, and elbow strikes to provide an intense cardiovascular challenge. These workouts are designed to help you burn calories, improve your endurance, and increase your strength and flexibility. Now, if you're a beginner, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Don't forget to warm up properly and cool down afterwards. But with dedication and practice, you will be able to improve your fitness level and self-defense skills, all while having fun and burning calories. Next up is a cardio workout that might sound weird, but trust me, it's super fun once you try it. And that's going to be a pogo stick. Pogo sticks aren't just for kids. They can actually be a great way for people of all ages to get a full-body workout. Pogo sticks can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen leg muscles, and enhance coordination and balance. If you're looking for a fun way to add variety to your workout routine, try jumping on a pogo stick for a few minutes each day. Another unique cardio workout that many people enjoy is rock climbing. Rock climbing is a full-body workout that engages the arms, legs, core, and shoulders as you pull yourself up and hold onto the wall. It's a great way to improve upper body strength, increase endurance, and enhance problem-solving skills. Whether you prefer indoor or outdoor climbing, rock climbing can be a fun and challenging cardio workout. Lastly, if you're looking for a fun and engaging cardio workout, consider trying a rowing machine. Rowing machines are a great way to improve cardiovascular health, increase muscle strength, and burn calories. They provide a low-impact full-body workout that engages the legs, core, and arms. Plus, rowing machines offer a variety of workout programs and adjustable resistance levels to keep your workouts challenging and engaging. So if you're looking to add some variety to your cardio routine, try rowing for a few minutes each day and see how many calories you can burn. Cardio doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of fun activities that can get your heart pumping and improve your cardiovascular health without feeling like a chore. So why not try something new and exciting like dance workouts, video games, trail running, roller skating, or rock climbing? Your body and mind will thank you for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. I post new videos every single week and would love to have you guys here. So feel free to add me on social media. I post workout tips, recipes, and more. And with that said, I'll see you guys soon.